So for your first like duplexes or, like any multifamilies, you also play as the property manager there, right?
I think everyone should start off and be their own property manager,
right.
Which would be different than what you've studied like with Grant Cardone. Because again, you don't want to be a property manager managing 500 units. Forget that.
Right.
There's professionals that do that. But I really believe anytime you start something, you need to understand it yourself. Well, I'm going to start a restaurant. Guess what? I need to understand what it's like to wash dishes. I need to know what it's like to cook.
From the ground up.
From the ground. You have to understand it because then that way people can't bullshit you. So when I got started, I understood construction and I got a degree in architecture. But instead of just having I can draw pretty pictures of homes, I know how to frame, I know how to pull wire, I know how to plumb, I know how to roof, I know how to hang drywall. It's just learn the trade enough, like manage your properties, understand how to interact with tenants, understand the contract with tenants, do it long enough to understand where the pitfalls are, and then you can hire it out. But that way you're qualified to know who to hire. Right? You could be there could be 10 different property managers and they all sound great because they're feeding you a line of shit that you don't, you can't differentiate who's real, who's not real. This guy's a great salesman, but he sucks as a property manager. This person's maybe kind of flat and dry, but they're a great property manager, but you'll be able to figure out who's real, who's not real.